Good morning, students. Today we'll start our next chapter, chapter 5, Basics of MS PowerPoint. MS PowerPoint is a program or software that is used to create a presentation. Whenever we want to explain our thoughts and ideas, or if you want to explain any topic to broad audience or people, so we use MS PowerPoint to make a presentation. So let's see introduction of MS PowerPoint chapter. You have already studied MS Word in earlier classes. You know that it is a word processing software. So as we already know that MS Word is a program that is used to write anything on a computer. Like if you want to write a letter, application, notice or any writing work, so we use MS Word program. MS Office is a complete software package developed by Microsoft Corporation USA. Microsoft Corporation made a program called MS Office. And MS Office has a bunch of programs like MS Word, MS Excel and MS PowerPoint. In this chapter we will talk about MS PowerPoint. MS PowerPoint is one of the software package in MS Office which is used for creating exciting slideshow presentation. So let's see what is a presentation. A structured delivery of information is known as a presentation. Whenever we explain our topic to the people, so it is called a presenting our presentation. It is a systematic display of information along with graphics, movies, sounds, etc. When we make presentation in PowerPoint, so it is very effective to explain to the people because it has many things like we can include graphics in any picture, any images, movie we can include, sounds, clips, animation. So all these things makes our presentation effective and beautiful. All these are displayed together on the screen. Take a closer look at some of the presentations prepared using MS PowerPoint. A presentation contains number of slides which are grouped together in a sequence to form a slideshow. Like MS Word has a pages to work. In MS Word we work in page. In the same way MS PowerPoint has a page that is called slide. So a group of slide is called the presentation. A slideshow is an electronic presentation displayed on a computer screen. After creating presentation, we present our topic with the help of slideshow. Slideshow means we present our presentation on a projector screen or a computer in which all the slides will come one after another and we will explain about the content of the slide. See different people using MS PowerPoint like bank staff, teachers and students, businessmen. So we can use presentation to explain our thoughts and ideas. Next, how to start MS PowerPoint 2007. The following are the steps for starting MS PowerPoint 2007. Step 1, click the start button. Step 2, click all programs. Step 3, click Microsoft Office. And step 4, click the Microsoft Office PowerPoint 2007 option. So whenever we open, this type of screen will be open on computer that has many elements and options. And we'll talk about these things in the next class.